I am making this recording today for Igbo people. I want Igbo people to understand something they don't know because I believe most of Igbo people they don't recognize what is going on in Nigeria. What am I trying to emphasize on? Igbo people should leave any place that is not an Igbo land, building anything. Because I see that the hatred for Igbos are escalating every day. But most Igbo people don't know. You see how Igbo properties are being destroyed in Lagos and in other parts of Nigeria. Is that not showing all the Igbos concern? Well, I am not here to segregate or maybe to cause problem, but I want the Igbos to understand that Nigeria is not an Igbo country. Because if there is an inclusiveness in Nigeria, Igbo's property will not be destroyed in Lagos. Igbo's property will not be destroyed in the north. Igbos will not be killed in the north. They will not be killed in Lagos. They will not be sanctioned when election is coming up to go home that they will not vote in Lagos. If you think what I am saying is not true, go and visit the history. Nigeria is not a place where there is inclusiveness. There is no inclusiveness in Nigeria. What we are suffering in Nigeria is bigotry. This ethnicity will say this ethnicity is not good. This ethnicity, they will say the other one is not good. This ethnicity will be destroying the property belonging to the other ethnicity. Where have you seen in Nigeria that a Yoruba man's property was destroyed? Absolutely no. Except the one that was built on a very bad place and is destroyed with other people's property that built on a very wrong place. But today, whether in a wrong place or not, the Igbos are the targets. Now, you were hearing about New Lagos called Lekki. That the commander-in-chief of the state, which is Sanwo-Olu, now is saying that the houses built in Lekki, and most houses built in Lekki did not get authorization of building it. Do they come up and start building those houses without authorization? Are they not visited by town planning? That is the question you should ask. And we need the answer from the government of Lagos. Is it the right way? Knowing fully well that 70% of those houses belong to Igbos. But I blame Igbos. I blame them. What is there is that I blame them. When an Igbo man will leave his place and go and start pouring sand in a swamp, pouring sand in a swamp and building skyscraper, Igbos are the one to be blamed. They are to be blamed. So Igbos, it is better for all of you to listen. Stop buying land in Lagos. Stop buying land in the north. I did not see something that is better than the Igbo land. The Igbo land where you have authority. Very soon they will chase you. I also heard that some people from the south was deported in Nigeria. Was deported in Nigeria. A Nigerian was deported from Lagos. They were deported to their land, either Osun or thereabout, but in the southwest. So, what am I saying? This is going to Igbo person, all the Igbo people. Any Igbo person that is hearing this, share it across to people. it is a clarion call that every Igbo man should stop buying land in Lagos. Go and develop your land. Aba is good for business. Anambra is good for business. Owerri is good for business. Delta State is a business hub. Abia State is a business hub. Enugu is a business hub. Go and buy land in Enugu. Akabakaliki is a business hub. We are greater in number than any of them. I am not here to proclaim bigotry, but what is happening to our people in different parts of Lagos shows that Igbos did not belong to Nigeria. For real. They did not belong to Nigeria. So everybody should try to go to his homes and build his home. Have you heard that Yoruba people are being chased away from Igbo land? No way. Have you heard that Hausa people are being chased away from Igbo land? No way. It's only when Hausa people start killing Igbo people, that is when Igbo people will retaliate. They don't chase anybody. So, what am I saying? Igbo people, go to your land and start building your land. Your land will be better than going to a place they will be chasing you like rat. The Lord is still speaking from the mouth of men. When the Lord speaks, it will look like a dream.